Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque, a symbol of grandeur and faith in South Kalimantan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque, a spiritual and cultural hub that connects Muslim in Banjarmasin. Amid the bustle of the city, this mosque stands majestically as a place of worship and a peacefully community center. From congregational prayers to various social activity, the Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque is not only a place for worship, but also a platform for strengthening the bonds of brotherhood among the faithful. Here, we also carry out educational programs and social initiatives aimed at enhancing knowledge and fostering greater awareness within the community.
Masjid Sabilal Mutadin ini telah menunjukkan bahwa dengan pengelolaan yang baik, masjid bisa menjadi pusat kehidupan sosial dan keagamaan yang dinamis dan modern. Kami harap ini bisa menjadi motivasi bagi masjid lain untuk terus berinovasi dalam melayani umat.
History and meaning of the name. The Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque is a historic mosque located at Jenderal Sudirman Street, number 1, Antasan Besar, Banjarmasin Tengah District, Banjarmasin City, South Kalimantan Province, Indonesia. It was founded in 1974 and officially inaugurated in 1981 in honor of the great Islamic scholar Sheikh Muhammad Arsyad Al-Banjari. The mosque's name is taken from his book Sabilal Mutadin Littafaqquh fi Amriddin, which means the path for the guided to understand religious matters. This book is an important reference in the Shafi'i school of fiqh and has been a guide for many scholars across the Nusantara. The mosque is built on the site of a former military barracks on Tatas Island, which during the Dutch colonial era was known as Fort Van Tatas. With its rich history, this mosque not only serves as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of resilience and spiritual growth for the community. Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque is a bridge between history and faith, where every individual can find guidance in their spiritual journey. Let us preserve and protect this valuable heritage for future generations. The beginning of the construction. The idea to establish the Sabilal Mutadin Grand Mosque began with the determination and enthusiasm of figures such as Brigjen Haji Hasan Basri, Haji Maksid, and Muhammad Yusi, who together with local scholars discussed the need for a central Islamic activity hub in Banjarmasin. Initially, the mosque was planned to be built on the site of the former Hotel Banjar. However, based on suggestion from the commander of the 10th Military Region, the location was moved to Tatas Island. The first stone was laid in 1964. On November 10, 1974, construction resumed with the first pillar being set by Governor Subarjo. After 7 years of construction, the mosque was officially inaugurated on February 9, 1981 by President Suharto. The mosque covers an area of approximately 5,250 square meters and can accommodate up to 15,000 worshippers, with 7,500 in the interior and 7,500 in the outdoor area. It is surrounded by 4 pillars, 21 meters tall minarets, and a main minaret that rises 45 meters. The floors, minarets, and some part of the plaza are made from marble, while the wudu area is tiled with porcelain and the plaza floor is covered in ceramic tiles. In the middle of the mosque courtyard, there is a beautiful fountain emanating the sound of flowing water that creates a calm and refreshing atmosphere for visitors. This fountain is also adorned with lighting that enhance its appearance, especially at night. One of its distinctive features is the translucent ornamental grills on the doors and walls, which provide balance to the building with its flat dome, sturdy columns, and thick walls. The mosque mihrab and pulpit are decorated with copper calligraphy carvings, featuring verses from the Al-Quran, the Asmaul Husna, or names of Allah, and the names of Prophet Muhammad and his 4 closest companions. The calligraphy is written in Naskhi, Diwani, Rik'ah, Sulut, and Kufic styles, embellished with plain motif typical of Kalimantan. Available facilities. The Sabil Al-Mutadin Grand Mosque offer various facilities to support community activities. The spacious main hall can accommodate large congregation. It also provides consultation service for new Muslims, marriage, and inheritance matter. The mosque auditorium hosts important events, while its radio station broadcasts religious information and news. The on-site clinic and gas station serve the community health and transportation need. In the field of education, the mosque runs schools ranging from early childhood education to higher education and offers facilities manasik haji. The mosque also has a library and a mini market, enhancing convenience and accessibility for visitors. Additionally, a funeral service facility is available for managing deceased bodies. With these diverse facilities, the Sabil Al-Mutadin Grand Mosque is committed to being a center for spiritual and social activities within the community.
Masjid itu adalah pusat kehidupan umat Islam. Di masjidlah kita memakmurkan ibadah, sekaligus kita membangun kebersamaan. Melalui kegiatan ibadah dan kegiatan-kegiatan sosial seperti pendidikan, layanan kesehatan, dan bantuan ekonomi, masjid memperkokoh ukhuwah Islamiyah dan membawa manfaat yang nyata bagi masyarakat banyak.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad.
The Sabil Al-Mutadin Grand Mosque is a gathering place for the community to engage in various religious activities. Every day, congregational prayers are held, strengthening the sense of togetherness in worship. The mosque also organizes regular study circle or majelis taklim to learn more about Islam and celebrates Islamic holidays with prayers and community activities.
Kemudian makasih Tuhanlah yang menetapkan apa yang bermanfaat sagan dulu kabulnya.
The mosque also function as a community center by organizing short-term Islamic school for children and teenagers to deepen their understanding of religion. Various other religious events are also held to involve everyone in positive activities. With all these activities, the Sabil Al-Mutadin Grand Mosque has become a lively place that unites the community in the spirit of faith.
Ya, Masjid Raya Sabil Al-Mutadin sudah menjadi bagian dan pusat keagamaan serta aktivitas sosial orang Banjar, utamanya warga kota Banjarmasin. Sebagai salah satu jamaahnya, ulun merasa bangga melihat masjid ini tumbuh seiring zaman, tidak hanya menjadi sebagai tempat ibadah, tapi jadi ruang wadah kebudayaan yang mencerminkan tradisi budaya orang Banjar dan kehangatan masyarakatnya.
Desa Bilal Mutadin Grand Mosque is not only a place of worship, but also a beautiful landmark in the surrounding area. The mosque complex is surrounded by a large city forest, providing a fresh and cool atmosphere for visitors. Additionally, the mosque is near other attractions, such as a traffic park and the Martapura River Promenade. With this award, Desa Bilal Mutadin Grand Mosque remains committed to serving the community, inspiring others, and bringing about positive change for society in Indonesia and the world.